Method 1. Erase hard disk using professional software. The safest and most effective solution is to use professional software, such as AOMEI Partition Assistant. This professional tool provides a highly secure erasing method to erase data on Windows PC or server version, ensuring that it cannot be recovered. Now I will teach you how to use this tool. If you need this tool, you can click the link in the introduction. Step 1. Install and launch AOMEI Partition Assistant. Then click the Erase Main tab and select the Erase Hard Drive option. Step 2. Select the disk to be wiped, and choose a wiping method according to your needs. Fill in 0, by default overwrites the partition with zeros. Fill in random information, a more secure method that overwrites the partition with random data. DoD 5220.22m, a highly secure method that overwrites addressable locations on the hard disk with binary zeros, binary ones, and a random bit pattern from 1 to 7 times. Gutman, the safest one that overwrites a hard drive with 35 passes, but it also takes the longest time. Then click OK to continue, and wait for the software to automatically complete the data wipe. Method 2. Delete everything through CMD. In addition, the command prompt also provides a way to clear all data on the computer. However, this method is less intuitive and has the risk of accidentally erasing the wrong drive, and it can no longer be used on SSDs. Here's how to erase everything on your computer via CMD. Step 1. Press Windows + S, type CMD, and select Run as Administrator. Step 2. Type the following commands and press Enter after each one. Diskpart. List disk. Select disk, replace 0 with your disk number. Clean all. Wait for the process to complete. This command will overwrite the disk with zeros, making data recovery difficult. Step 3. Type Exit and press Enter to close the window. Method 3. Erase everything using Disk Management. Windows Disk Management is another built-in tool for erasing everything on your computer. Although simpler than CMD, it only performs basic disk formatting to make data recoverable. Here's how to erase everything on your computer via Disk Management. Step 1. Right-click the Start menu and select Disk Management. Step 2. Right-click the disk you want to erase and select Format. Step 3. Check the volume label, file system, and allocation unit size. Then click OK to erase all data on this disk. Thank you for watching here. We will see you in the next 2 videos. If you have any questions, please leave a comment or send an email.